So everybody knows I use trail cams exclusively for ghost hunting, especially in large locations. I set one up in a hallway. No lights required, no IR lights required. They just go. This one right here is my Alpha Cam. It will not run on regular rechargeable batteries. You have to use lithium batteries. This one right here. I have two of these. They've never failed me. In fact, the Alpha Cam will shoot about 7 pictures and take video at the same time. So you'll get a multimedia thing if you catch something, and I've caught some amazing things with it. And this right here is the Argos Cam. This thing has never failed me. Got some really in the haunted Definiak Hotel. It got something that landed on me when I was sleeping, something that woke me up, and this Argos Cam caught it. So I'm very selective of what I use. I bought some really crappy trail cams. Sensors not working right, the triggers aren't working right, so I'm very careful. Nice thing about these is on Amazon, you can get your trail cams off Amazon and you can send them back. And these right here, these two right here have not failed me. And again, I have two of these cameras right here, the Alpha Cams. So what I have here, this was on promotion. I think it was actually I think it was $25 or $30. Cam Park. Now I noticed Cam Park also made some knockoff GoPros, and like with all China GoPros, you get really good video, but the audio is crap on most of your China GoPros. You got to get a real GoPro for me, or get a microphone. But so we'll see. I'm not sure if this has audio. I don't think it does. But this is the T21, and again, it was about 25 bucks, maybe closer to 30. So I'm gonna take it out of here. Let's take a look at it. And it's small. I know it's a lot smaller. Oh, that one just fell over. I know it's smaller than most of these. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look-see. All right. So, and here's the instructions. Let's see here. There's the cord for it, and there's the instructions down there. But let's take a look at it here. So it is small. I mean, look at that. That's really small. And you can see it's got the cover on it. So I'm going to do a demo with this and see. Let's open it up here and see what it looks like. So you got your, again, it only takes 4, which is kind of interesting. But I don't think that it shoots dual media, like pictures and video at the same time. I don't think it does. That one does. That one does. And but these others don't. But they still take good pictures. And these two here, Alpha Cam is, I mean, they're about $100 and it's worth every penny. And this Argos Cam hasn't failed me either. It's got good, and both tell real-time temperature whenever it captures something. So next video, I'm gonna have the instructions out and the cord, and then after that, we're gonna see how it does. Okay, here's the book for it. It's a pretty thick book, but it's in multi-languages. And it came with the strap here and the hardware. So you can actually permanently mount this somewhere. I won't be doing that, though. It'll be stationary. But it does have the standard tripod mount there. So the next video, and it looks like it does have the power, figure out what kind of DC it takes if you want to plug it in. And there's the USB port. So we'll see if you can hook it right up to the computer or have to take the flash card out. And with 4 batteries, I don't know, man. I'll try 4 rechargeables and see how it does. We'll see. Because that beast right there takes lithium. But it's a workhorse. So next video, we're going to see how it performs. Okay, this is back to the Cam Park camera. I've already used it. I'm pretty impressed with the video and photos. I'll be showing you that here in a minute. I haven't done the night vision yet. I'll be using that, but I'm going to go through some of the settings here. It's got mode, so that's photo and pictures at the same time. You got resolution, have everything set on high. It goes all the way up to, let's see here, photo resolution, yeah, 5375. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the menu. And then we'll go to video resolution just to show you some of these. And yeah, 1920 by 1080. And it is pretty impressive. I'm going to show you this.
A little grainy on the outsides during the day, but it's nothing, not a deal breaker. And the video length goes all the way up to, I think, a couple minutes. Let's see here. Video length. I got it on 40 seconds. I brought it all the way up to a minute. And it ate up quite a bit of video. So we'll go back to that. And then we have audio is on, shot log, motion sensors on high, recording time, target recording time. That's where you can turn it on. It'll come on at a certain time. You can turn it off at a certain time. Time lapse it has also, and then language, of course, and then time and date I have on there. Photo stamp I have on. It does have accurate. It has accurate temperature. I will show you that on the video also. And password protection off and everything. And then the beep sound, of course, I have turned off. And then format memory card and serial number. So anyway, this is, we'll go ahead and turn this off. Now I have everything set up. Now I do know that when the batteries come out of it, it does have a power plug. If you can find which one it is, you can plug it in. It did not change any of the settings except for the date and time I had to reset. Once the batteries come out, it doesn't have any way to reset it. And so far, this is it. I will be showing you the videos and pictures last. The only other thing I didn't really care about this is the lens here is, you can see it, it's kind of exposed. There's really no cover for it. That's the only thing I don't really care about it. So when I take this on ghost hunts and things like that, I'm going to have it inside of one of those Walmart bags to keep that. There's no cover for this right here. And I took the cover off when it came in the packaging. So anyway, that was the only thing so far I didn't like about it. Is just, if you can see, take it over here in the granite and show you. See, it's just kind of exposed. There's no, it's actually, it's setting out. So the sensor right there will protect it, but if you flip it upside down or you're not paying attention, it will do it. But so far so good. And like I said at the very end, I'm going to show you all the resolution, all the pictures. This is going to go into the garage for nighttime. We'll see how it does in the dark. Notice too, this does have a wide angle lens, surprisingly, and it's got pretty much the full view of the garage right there. And the light comes on. And there's a cat. Somebody walking there. Okay, so I'm way back here. So see how it goes. About 15 feet right here in front of the camera, maybe close to 15 at the garage door here. So right now it should be recording. It's in the dark. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. So see how it does. Here's the digital still that came off the same video, so it does shoot pictures and video at the same time, and I believe you can do that in the settings. This picture here is not crystal clear, but it's not completely washed out either, so it's not bad. I mean, for 40 bucks, I think it'll be good for ghost hunting, and we got some more pictures and video coming up daytime. All right, so if you're going off right now, how's the audio? Let's see how the audio is, how it's responding. We'll see. Hey, thanks for watching. That's my review of the Campark T20-1 camera. I'm impressed with the wide-angle lens. The audio and video is not bad. The audio could be better, but it's good for what it does. It'd be great for ghost hunting. It's a little washed out right there on the left, as you can see. For some reason, just washed out. But Campark makes some good stuff. It's a good budget trail cam. Use it for ghost hunting. Just watch that lens. And right now, Amazon is out of them. It says they're not in stock, so just do a search for one and you can find it. Take care.